Hey guys, welcome to Beast Ride DIY. I'm at Lowe's and I'm going to show you some of their deals going on right now in January and February. So right now when you first walk in, they're focusing on storage items. This is a Craftsman 5-tier storage shelf for $89. I think it was like $119, something like that. I think it does have a high capacity as far as its weight. It's maybe like 300 pounds per shelf, and they perfectly fit, of course, these Craftsman boxes, which are conveniently right behind it. Now from style selections, this is a pretty hefty one. It's 350 pounds per shelf. It's $89, so the same price was $129. So this is what this looks like, and they have the metal shelves, so that's a pretty nice one as far as what it can hold. All right, next up we've got the Craftsman 20-volt caulk gun. It's a $39 gun. Was $59, you're saving $20 here. Now this is the 20-volt rotary bear tool at $39. You're saving $10 here. It's a 33-piece kit. And now from Craftsman, this is the trade stack. It's a $99 Pro Drawer tool chest. And right below it, you have the 30-gallon VersaStack chest for $69. That was $89. Now this is a high-pressure inflator. This is the bare tool, so $39. You're saving $10 here. And then this is the detail sander for $39. And this has variable 3 speeds. It was $49. Now both of these are $59. This is going to be the half-inch drill driver. Was $79, or you can choose the impact driver for $59 as well. And both of these come with the battery and charger. Now look at these. They were trying to give these away at $3.72 on these 2-piece of the mini pliers with the dip rubber handles. And then for $14, it's the 3-pack of the locking adjustable wrench set here. And they had a few of those left. Now for $34 is this 13 amp 7¼ inch corded circular saw. Now this is from Skill. They had one up top here that I'm going to show you that was already out. It has a 2.3 horsepower motor. And I mean, I know what people say about Skill. They kind of hate on them a little bit, but let me know what you think in the comments. Now for clearance, this is 75% off the original price. All the holiday decor. They didn't have a ton of the holiday decor. They had some storage stuff. It's a 4-count of the light storage reels with bag. And some storage, Christmas tree storage bags for $15, and then the bigger quilted one, which can hold a 6 to 9 foot Christmas tree for $34. It was $59. Now, as expected, I didn't really see many savings on the mowers. They did have one mower that was about $30 off here. It's $299. It was $329, and that one is this 24-volt push mower with rear-wheel drive. Has 40 minutes of runtime on its battery. 1.5 HP max on the torque, and I think a 16-inch cutting diameter underneath. Now you can see to the right here, it has a little handle, or to the left if you're using it, and that's the height adjustment handle of the cut. And they have these 3/8 of an inch and 1/2 inch drive torque wrenches for $64 and $54. These are almost half off, so that's a good deal. Now from Kobalt, you're getting a free select tool from above at $129 value. When you buy one of these down below, the $149 suitcase with starter kit, or the 4-tool kit for $249. Now the $249 kit, you're saving $50 on it. It has a 5-year and a 3-year warranty, and it has the cutoff tool. It looks like an LED light, drill driver, and impact driver. And then they have the, I think their VersaStack down here. You get a free select tool, and this is from Craftsman. When you get this deal where you get the 2 batteries and charger, or the drill driver. They were pretty well stocked up on these. Now you're going to be able to buy one of these Dewalt 12-inch 15-amp dual bevel compound sliding miter saws, and you get a free holder, or a miter saw stand. Now this is $4.99, so this is going to be $100 off here. And I'm going to show you the stand in a second if they do have it over here, which I'm going to go walk and check. But first let me show you this Metabo sliding miter saw for $349. This was $449, so you're saving $100 here. Comes with a 5-year warranty, and I'm going to back up to show this to you. One thing I do like about this, it does have the tall fence in the back, which I do see on more miter saws nowadays, but I'm not going to complain about that. But this is, I thought this was a miter stand. It is actually not. It's the table saw here. Go ahead and like and leave a comment, guys. It does help the algorithm if you do want to see more videos like this, or deal videos. Now, first when you walked in, they had some toilets and some vanities. I guess they wanted to put these out here because they've been in the back of the store. maybe they haven't been selling well, but this one is going to be like $50 off on this vanity. Not too bad of a price though. And you get an extra 10% off, I guess, when you use their services for install. It does have some gold hardware. Just keep that in mind if that's of interest to you. Now from Craftsman, we got this 20-volt string trimmer for $79. So this is yellow tagged. It is a smaller one, just keep that in mind. It's 10 inches, and at first I thought it was corded, but it looks like it's including a battery and charger. So obviously it's not corded, but you can kind of see that it's a smaller one compared to the other ones here, with a smaller cutting radius. Now coming over here, I did see a yellow tag and it drew me over to this section here. This is a blower tool. Let me see, it's for 26 bucks. It was 109. It's an add-on cone blower attachment. So if you do need like an attachment for this Trimmer Plus brand, these are on a deeply discount sale, and I just set the alarm off there. Now this is the Pro Lowe Savings Days for $249. This is the Klein Tools 3-piece mod box set. So you're saving 50 bucks here. And what their mod box here is, it's basically, you have the small, medium, and large toolboxes kind of stacked on each other, and they can roll. They have the little handle here that extends as well. Now the Klein tool section, for whatever reason, it was right when you walked in the store. They had moved things around. This was basically where the Christmas items were. And now from Kobalt, they had this 2-pack of the lithium-ion batteries, and you're going to get one of the free tools here. Dewalt has kind of a similar deal where you get the Extreme Kit and you get one of their 12-volt max tools. Now from Bosh or Bosh, you get a free starter kit, which is their 4-amp battery 2-pack or their 4-amp battery with the charger. And you're going to get that when you buy one of these select nailing tools. So these are some crown nailers and some finishing nailers, 16 gauge, 15 and 18 gauge. And then they had those down below you can look at. Now for $159, they have this 4-amp, 18-volt variable brushless 1/2-inch square drive impact wrench. Now this is the tool only, so just keep that in mind. And then another Pro Savings Day deal at $99. This is a 4.5-inch brushless angle grinder. It's $40 off. And then you also are able to buy one, buy one 18-volt 2-pack of batteries or a starter kit, and then you'll get your choice of one protractor tool for free. Now right across the aisle from Flex, you select a power tool, and it's kind of the opposite, and you'll get their battery pack. So let me know if you've used the Flex tools before. I actually don't think I've even used a Flex tool before. Now this is a yellow tagged item for $23. This is like a multi-tool set where you get their drill bits and driver bits. Now this is kind of a makeshift clearance section. The thing I liked about this was they actually had clearance prices. This is a drywall circle cutter for half off at $5. They had all these different drywall tools and sanding tools and sand grit paper. These are some $2 was $6 on these different sandpapers here. They have a radial sandpaper 9-inch for $6. It was $16. A lot of times you go into the clearance section, and this is a wall repair patch for $4 or $2. I'm not sure which one this is, but I would go with the $4 just to be safe. They had some items on the bottom too, but yeah, you go into the Lowe's Home Depot clearance section, and it's basically just some yellow tagged items with just a few bucks off. These all were half off, so I was pretty impressed with that. Now, I did want to go online and just show you these items as well. This is the deal of the day. This is from Tough Built, 65% off on their 3-vial magnetic box beam levels. Now, $39, it was $119, so you're getting a pretty discounted savings here. Now, it did say out of stock when I was looking at them on here, but I'm pretty sure that's store specific because it defaults to my store. So just go online, you can see what it is, and you know, if it's at your store, then awesome. So, and they did have the other lengths of them too. And you can check this each day. It doesn't just have to be because, you know, this video will be up for a while, and then you can check them each day. Now, this is a Little Giant ladder. It has a 300-pound load capacity. Now, this is an A-frame ladder. It was $169. It's now only $94. The cool thing with these ladders is you can use them like this or extend them, and they click into a longer ladder that you can use on the side of a house, on gutters, or whatever you need. So you can just scroll down. I'm scrolling down to this Skill 12-volt tool set. It's a 5-piece tool set. They're saying it's a $359 value. It's $149, was $199, so you're saving $50 here. Now this is good through February 12th. So keep in mind when the deals end, because some of them are good through April actually. Now this is a Dewalt quiet 9-gallon 5-horsepower corded wet dry shop vac. Includes all the accessories for $89. It was $129. Now from Metabo, this is a 2.5-inch 16-gauge pneumatic straight finish nailer. Was $169. It's now going to be $99. It's 4.7 stars at their new lower price. Now from Bosh again, this is their 18-volt lithium-ion battery charger. $199. It was $229, and it's got 4.8 stars out of 5 here. Now scrolling down, this is a pretty helpful thing. This is a Werner, it's like a linking platform. I can think this can be useful mostly for painting, because you can kind of use this if you need to cut in. You can use it on stairs. They link together, where if you need to use them, it's like a long steps tool basically. $99. It was $169, and they're showing you the different ways in this picture. You can pause this if you are interested in it. You can see the different ways you can use it, even on steps. Now from Dewalt, next up is this 3-piece brushless power toolkit. Looks like you're getting the drill driver, impact driver, and then the multi-tool. It does come with 2 batteries, charger, and bag. Now the cool thing about this is you're getting a free tool with this. So if you scroll down right here, you can see where it says free tool. You click on that and you can select which extra tool you want. So you're really getting 4 tools for that price. Now, you can go online. I didn't categorize by certain tools, but you can just look at all the deals and see which ones you want. This is a Kobalt 24-volt 3/8 of an inch impact wrench. It is just the tool only. Comes with LED light. It's $99. It was $149. So pretty decent deal with that one. Next up from Dewalt is going to be this 20-volt max power stack. It's a 2-tool kit for $199. It's $100 off. And now this one is good through the end of January. It's 4.8 stars out of 5 with 57 ratings. And they're just showing you all the different benefits of this and more runtime with their brushless motor, not mower. I really hope this video helped, guys, and go ahead and like and leave a comment if you find this info helpful.